And we're going to give them a gallon of sugar water as well. Cat. And shake it out. Felt one and major correction. So that's all cleaned out now. Between the frames. Looks like the whole top box is pretty.
They look like some big healthy bees too.
Yeah. There's some few nice fuzzy ones are the youngest ones. They are so neat looking.
They are.
So that will be it, because the way this one has its comb drawn, I know will tear up some, and that would definitely cause a robbing frenzy. Bringing in pollen today. Where they're getting pollen and nectar, or if they are bringing a nectar, but several of the frames they're getting it from.
Maybe the little pink flowers.
Or whatever those white flowers are. We will see you at the next one. The one that I sometimes call be numbered 16. It counts its way up. We'll see you there. At hive 15, but will soon be renumbered to 16. So yeah, we can start calling it today.
It's full of bees.
In case if you're wondering why the numbers on adding some hives. I ended up adding one more than I was planning on. Ended up going one more number than I was planning. And on some of the other hives, you all may have seen ready making some and sitting them by the hive, so I know how many more I need out here, so I know if I have enough or when I have enough, because I'm still making them.
Makes sense. I'm waiting on them.
And add more feeders, and I'm going more with this style. I bought both styles from Motherload. They actually messed up my, and I got a couple hive bodies.
And we tried to send
Actually,
them back.
yeah, we talked to him. And let him know how I like them. This bottom box is actually one of his. They're a little more on the pricey side, but they are nice to have.
They are.
I think I was trying to ship them 5 or 6 phone calls later. I just asked him if he'd sell them to me at a discount back, and he ended up just saying keep them, so it worked out for me. So that will be it for this hive.
This hive's cockeyed.
Is unlevel. For some reason the stand has settled uneven. It's not quite it's out of shape a little bit and out of size. It for this hive, and that will be it for the day. Good luck. Hope everything goes well.